Good morning, you guys. My name is Lanika, and today for breakfast, we're gonna be having pancakes. Just kidding, but I hope you guys are excited because today we're gonna be learning how to do a pancake. So, what you guys are going to do is you're going to start to the side with your arms out, and you're going to start into it just like you're doing a front walkover. The trick though is that once your hands are down, your bottom leg is going to be meeting the other leg at the top, and you have to give a big push off of your arms to then head over to land into your pike position. So you're here and you're gonna wanna push. You push your bottom leg up into a pike and you're gonna push off at the same time with your arms. Not bending your arms to push, but using your shoulders really to push off. And then when you land, this can be the tricky part because a lot of times we want to bend one leg maybe because we're nervous to land down, but you really just have to go for it. What you're trying to do is land with your feet almost flat foot. So that, and then pushing your hips back, rolling down to land into your pike position. So I'll show you one time. And that's how you do a pancake. Hope you guys have fun trying it out.